Good morning. Had an amazing end to the day yesterday. So yesterday was my first day riding using the altitude sickness medication, and what a difference. Apparently that's what's been bothering me for the last 3 weeks, is altitude. So now I just gotta get my head back into the game. But at the end of the day, I got to Radium Campground and friends were waiting there at the campground, and when I saw them, I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting them to be there. I kind of just dropped my bike and hugged them because it really lifted my spirits. Because I was, although physically I was coming around, my head's not really in the game, but seeing them really, I don't know, spark something there that kind of re-energized me. And they're trail angels. They fed me. They fed Tom and Chris, other cyclists on the route. Coffee, water, amazing. Breakfast this morning. So what can I say? Just another great True Divide moment, and nice spending the evening and morning with good people. So today, plan is to get to campground just before Silverthorne for me. I'm not sure what the other guys are up to, but that's my plan. But we'll go through Kremling and a little stop in to see Ute Pass Steve, another trail angel. I met him last year and does a nice job of providing support for riders. So anyways, that's the plan for the day. I better start pedaling. So when you leave Radium Campground, you're treated to a nice big climb right out of the box. You get out of the way pretty quickly. So left Kremling about 20 minutes ago, had a nice coffee and ice cream at the Big Shooter Cafe. Then got a resupply at the Dollar General. Now heading to Silverthorne. I guess the roads work department didn't get the message that there is bike packers coming through this section today. I just had to zigzag my way through the spray treatment for the road. Now I've got up ahead a little bit, and they've got equipment now grading the road. So I know it's got to be done, but makes things more difficult, that's for sure. Oh, I had to stop, taking a little break. I'm starting to get heartburn again. It's because it's really hot and drinking a lot of water and not enough food. So I'm going to start putting some solid food into me and see if I can settle that down. But getting close to Ute Pass. Almost there. Hello. Hi. Good, how are you?
What's up, Rob?
Thank you.
This is Zoe.
You can
Zoe.
park anywhere you
Okay,
want.
I'll do that.
We got plenty of chairs.
Water and snacks.
Awesome.
Hey,
Hey, who am I talking to?
Ute Pass Steve. How you doing, Ryder?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Thru-Rider.
That's right. Can you give us a tour of
Come
this
on
class?
in. Come on in.
Hey, Zoe.
We have mattresses,
Awesome.
pads, sleeping, extra blankets.
So as the riders want to crash for the night, they can crash here?
Yeah, they can crash here. We've had 4 to 6 in here, bundled up. And on cold nights, they're really comfortable. We got a little bench. We got this. We're all good.
Amazing. I got supplies and everything. Early on, I was on like a map. Just started the climb on up Ute Pass, and I'm overheating, so I'm gonna take a moment to cool down a bit, and I'm gonna put my headphones in, put the music on to help distract me from the heat, I hope, and get this over with. Plan is to go to Blue River Campground, which is just before Silverthorne. Hopefully get a good night's rest, and then tomorrow I'll head into Silverthorne and go to the REI. I need to get some water purification tablets and get a good breakfast, and then head off to Breckenridge and maybe Boreas Pass. Anyways, that's the plan for the rest of today, is to get to Blue River Campground and call it a day. Here we are at the top of Ute Pass. I finally made it to the top. There'll be a story about that at the end of this video.
With your knowledge and experience,
Hello, do you mind introducing yourself?
Hi, I'm Tom New. I'm originally from England. I live in Vancouver now, and it was quite a challenge, the Tour Divide. First day, 3 hours in, had a crash, and 25 days later got checked out at an orthopedic surgeon and found a fracture in my shoulder. So done 26 days of riding with a fractured shoulder, and it's okay though. Doctor said, gave me the green light to carry on, so
That's
just
amazing.
got to keep spinning.
That's amazing. What about people you've met along the way?
So many incredible people, cyclists, locals, everywhere I've gone. It's really like reinvigorated my faith in humanity. There's still a lot of good people out there.
That's great. All right, thanks. Hello, do you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, hello. My name is Michael Murphy. I'm from St. Thomas, Ontario, Canada. And I think the thing that surprised me the most, I'm not covering the ground I really expected I would. Yeah, things have been moving pretty slow, but it's I think it just keep chugging along, and sooner or later I get there.
That's great. What about people, places, anything interesting that
Well,
of note?
I was surprised how everyone was so friendly, and like not just the riders that you meet or the hosts that at the different places you stay, but everyone you meet along the way. You could, in the campgrounds or parking lots or wherever. It's really been great. Everyone's been helpful.
That's pretty special.
Yeah.
All right, great. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.